What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to learn how to take pictures for Instagram. I know that sounds crazy, but a lot of people ask me, how do I take my pictures for Instagram? Super simple. And I did want to say we are almost to 1,000 subbies. So last time I checked, it was like 911, something like that. Soon as I hit 1K, I'm doing a giveaway. I know for sure I'm giving away a wig. I might do a gift card, and then I might do like an outfit of choice or something from my boutique, and then some lashes, some gloss from my homegirl. I might get her to add that in there. So it's gonna be a good giveaway, especially for my ladies. So make sure y'all tell y'all friends, sisters, cousins to subscribe, because we are literally almost to 1,000 subbies. I feel like I'm gonna hit it in probably like 2 to 3 weeks, but the rate has been going. Like I might get there in less than that. Fingers crossed. So help me get to 1,000 subbies, and then the giveaway will be live. I'm so excited, y'all. So happy. But yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned for the video. I'm gonna give y'all all my little tips, tricks, apps, angles, all that. So yeah, stay tuned for the video. Okay, first things first, if you're trying to get a fire picture, you need to be put together, meaning ladies, I ain't gonna say you have to wear makeup because that's not everybody's thing, but for those, I'm gonna just speak for those that wear makeup, because me, when I'm posting a fire picture, like I'm gonna have on some makeup. So ladies, do your makeup. You ain't gotta be the best, but do a little something, whatever your thing is as far as makeup. If you only wear gloss and lashes, or whatever you do that. Hair, make sure your hair is good. Your hair does not have to be done. It does not have to be with weave, but however you wear your hair, make sure the shit is laid. So makeup or whatever you do to your face, fresh skin, whatever, hair, outfit. Of course, if you got on a popping outfit, like that's gonna make the picture pop even more, because then people gonna be like, damn, her outfit bomb, or you know, girl, where you get that? So make sure you have a popping outfit. I don't care if it's just a t-shirt and leggings. That's literally what I have on. I'm gonna give y'all some tricks on how y'all can make y'all t-shirt and legging outfits pop. Um, or whatever, or how just to spice it up, accessorize, whatever. But that's number 3, popping outfit. So face, hair, outfit. Then my next thing, accessories. You don't have to have accessories, but like today, since I have a plain ass outfit, I could like spice it up with some accessories, like a bomb ass purse, like a pop of color. My leggings do have a red stripe, so I could have did like a red bag, or some fire tennis shoes or heels, whatever I chose to wear, like accessorized necklace. I could have had on like an icy ass chain, or you know, watch, rings, whatever. I really don't like wearing rings if my nails aren't done. But yeah, so you have to be put together. That's number 1. All of that is one step. Like you need to be put together if you want to achieve a fire picture. So that's number 1. We need to be well put together. I just said this on Facebook. If you're branding yourself and you know you trying to be popping on social media, and you trying to get sponsorships and people sending you their stuff to a promo, like you need to be put together. That's what's gonna make me want to buy something. Like if I see my homegirl or somebody on Instagram and they post a fire picture and I'm like, damn, that outfit bomb. Like, girl, where you get that? Like that's the whole thing with promoing for people and stuff. Like you need to be put together so that people are wanting to know what hair you have in your head, what you used on your lips, or where you bought that outfit from. That's off topic, but yeah, so we need to be well put together, ladies. Always. That's a part of self-care anyway, because when you look good, you feel good. Number 2, how to get a popping picture, your background. Now, I know this is not the best example. My background is a mess. I'm at home. And yeah, I'm in the process of furnishing my living room. So yeah, but just in general, like just a blank wall, a white wall in your house, or if you have a really cute decorated room, you know, light some candles, have that in the background, but it just needs to be aesthetically pleasing. We don't need no shoes in the background, no toys, no clothes on the floor. Like, your background needs to be clean, it needs to be aesthetically pleasing, or it just needs to be like a plain black background so that, you know, you'll pop on it. Or the best time, honestly, the best pictures is lifestyle pictures, like when you out. So, background, your background needs to be aesthetically pleasing, it needs to be clean, most importantly. And yeah, so the next step is lighting. Lighting makes all of the difference in your pictures. Some people pictures be cute, but it be so dark. Like, it's like, girl, we need you to pop out. We need to see you. Like, it cannot be dark. So as y'all know, natural lighting is the best lighting. So you need to be the window. If you're taking a picture, the window needs, if you're inside, the window needs to be in front of you. Like, in front of me is my window. I got the blinds open and the light is hitting me. So you need to be opposite of the light. If you're outside and the sun is beaming, like, the sun needs to be in front of you where you can't even like look all the way up directly in the sky because the sun is beaming on you. So that's a tip to remember. Always be opposite of the light or in front of the light, however you want to word it. And that's just gonna help with the lighting. Like, you're gonna be able to see clearly. And I know my lighting is messing up. That's because I got this ring light. Let me turn it down some. You need to have bomb lighting. Also, if you are inside, a ring light plays it makes a big difference. So I do have my phone on my ring light just in case people was asking me what I record on. No, I don't have a camera. I use my phone, and most of the time I use the front camera because a lot of people was thinking I had a camera, but no, what you take your picture on. I'm not an Android user, so I really don't know, but I take my pictures on my iPhone X, and they come out pretty damn good. I know if I had a camera, they would be like fire, like you'd be able to see so much more details, but I'm working on that. So for now, I use my iPhone X to record and for my pictures. So you either need a camera or an iPhone. iPhones can get you a long way. So that's really it. Besides actually posing, you need to be well put together, good background, good lighting, and a camera or iPhone. And if you don't have an iPhone, it's somebody around you that do have an iPhone. And the reason why I say iPhone, because in my opinion, like, Androids, next is actually posing. Now, I'm not gonna say with Instagram, with taking pictures, you have to know your body, you have to know your body shape, and you have to play on that. It's all about angles. Like, ladies, I know y'all feel me on that. Like, you gotta be able to get the right angles that works for your body. All of my ladies, even the ones that, you know, aren't curvy, that might be on the petite side, like, y'all want that shape, not necessarily the size, but y'all want to look like y'all have that shape. So what you want to do is, when you taking a picture, I don't know, y'all can't see my feet, but poke. For me, I'm right-handed, so everything's to the right. So put your left foot out. So stand straight up, put your left foot out, and then twist that right hip out. And then, see, it's gonna give you shape. And this even works for people who don't, I know I have a shape, but this works for girls who are just petite, who don't have any type of shape. This works. Put the left foot in front of you and twist. And then you poke that hip out. See? And so it's kind of like you putting all your weight on the right leg, on that one leg, and you serving shape. So then when you take your picture, it's like, okay, look at a little shape. Another one that I like to do, I like to just stand straight, and I'll still put that leg out, but I really don't poke the hip. I just kind of put my hands behind me like this, and then it's still kind of, you know, giving a little bit. And then another one I like to do, now this pose is not gonna be for everybody or whatever, but like that, and then you're able to like serve body and serve face. Yes, okay, so, and the main thing is like loosen up, have somebody take your pictures that are gonna get your angles, you know, that'll get down, get dirty to get that fire picture, and have fun with the camera, because when you shy, it comes across on the camera, or you know, you kind of have to like smile, not just look at the camera dry faced. You know how the models be doing, like they don't be smiling but they still be like serving face. Like you have to do that. The best way I know how to do that is to just play around on your camera when you at home, prop it up against something, or if you have a tripod or a ring light, do that and play around as far as your face. So that's pretty much all I do for like full body pictures. I do like the same pose, the one leg out, just straight up, twist that, and then I'll kind of play with it. And that's really it. And then as far as face, I really don't take a lot of selfies anymore because I had got out of makeup. But for the face, this is when like your facial expressions really come into play. You kind of have to serve face, like, and just play around with it. It takes time. I'm still shy when I'm actually shooting with a photographer. Like I have to loosen up. That's the main thing. But I know when you by yourself, it's easier to take a fire selfie. Selfies, you just want to be in the light. You want to serve face. For me, I like my hair, you know, like kind of play with my hair. I love to do a side shot, especially when you got on highlight. Popping. So you just kind of have to play around with it as far as the selfies, but the main thing, you just want to be put together, hair laid, in good lighting. And then as far as your facial expressions, just kind of play around. So that's really it. Like it's super simple. Like I said, just good lighting, a good, you know, put together hair, makeup, and that's really it. Now, what is the key is I'm gonna show y'all how to edit. So I'm gonna basically screen record, and then I'll just walk y'all through what I do as I'm screen recording, showing y'all how I edit pictures. And then I'm gonna show you the apps I use. Well, I really only use one app. Well, I use two. I'll take that back. So I use two apps when I'm doing my pictures. So I'm gonna screen record and do that. And I'm gonna show y'all how I edit and really make the pictures pop. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and edit the pictures. So I go to my Facetune 2 app, and then I'm just gonna kind of go through the pictures and decide which one I feel is the best. Always pick the best one, y'all, and flip through your pictures. I know us girls take a million pictures. So then I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna crop the picture that I chose just because my background wasn't the best. So I just need to crop it out. So then I'm gonna go over to the retouch, and then I'm gonna smooth certain areas on my face. I'm just gonna zoom in and just smooth it on out. And when smoothing, you never want to drag it, you want to just tap. So then I'm gonna move to my stomach area, and I'm just gonna tap just because I have a few little stretch marks. So I'm just gonna tap right in my belly area, and then we're gonna go ahead and save that. And I left it all the way over, like on 100% as far as the smoothing, just because it didn't look bad. Normally, I don't do that. So then I'm going to go back to the Retouch app, and I'm going to go to Details. And I'm going to go in on my eyes. So I want my eyes to really pop. So like my eyes, eyeshadow, liner, lashes, all in there. I'm going to use the detail feature, and it's basically just going to make my eyes pop. It kind of made my liner look super black, which really made my eyes pop. And you'll see at the end the difference that it made. And I'm just kind of playing with it, going up and down to get it to the amount of detail I want to use. So then I'm going to go back to detail. And then I'm going to actually do my hair, because I want my hair to just stand out, look really black, and just kind of really, really pop. So that's a little trick you guys can use. The detail button makes everything pop. So now I'm going to go to the reshape, and I'm going to use the resize feature just to kind of give my hair some volume and make it look big, because this is like an old wig and it needs to be washed and it's oily, so it's kind of flat. So I'm just going to make the hair bigger. And then I'm going to go and play around with the brightness. But I really didn't like how it looked bright because it was already really bright because I used my ring light. So I'm just going to take it back to 0, and I'm not even going to use that at all. Then I'm going to go to the filters, and I only use the no filter ones just because they look the best. The second one was the one that I chose because it looked the best. I'm not going to use it at 100. I'm going to bring it down, way down, just to give it just a little pop. I like the second one because it makes you look really vibrant, like stand out in the background. So then I'm going to go back to the retouch filter, and I'm going to whiten the background. And the reason why I whiten the background, because it kind of makes you pop. But with this one, as I was editing, I noticed that it just didn't look right all the way white. So I'm going to bring it down like halfway. Not maybe a little. Yeah, maybe like halfway. Just so it won't be as white, because it just didn't look right, super white to me. And then I'm going to save it. Okay, so now that I'm done editing, I'm just going to go ahead and save it. And then I'm going to open up the PhotoGrid app. I'm going to hit edit, select the photo that I just edited. I'm going to take the PhotoGrid logo off, and then I'm just going to save it. I do this so that the full body picture fits on Instagram. Then I'm going to pull up the Instagram app, select the picture that I just edited, and then you're going to upload it. And that's all that is to that. That's the only 2 apps I use to edit with. And yeah, I'll leave them down below just so you guys can have them. And thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.